This video is supported by AC Infinity. Yo, what's good everybody? Bass Drop Keys, your friendly neighborhood Negro. And in today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing for the brand new Cloudforge T3 Environmental Plant Humidifier from AC Infinity. This is a brand new product that's available at acinfinity.com. As always, if this video is the reason why you decide to get this product or any other AC Infinity products, use the code BassDropKeys. That will give you a 10% discount on any order at acinfinity.com. Alright, so while I'm unboxing this, let's go over a couple things about this humidifier. First of all, there's 3 sizes. What you're looking at right now is the T3, which is a 4.5 liter humidifier. There's also a T5 and a T7. The T5 is still under development and not ready yet. That is a 9 liter humidifier. The T7 is a 15 liter humidifier, and you can actually buy that right now. So the ones that's available right now is the T3, the one that you're looking at, and the T7, which is the 15 liter humidifier. The regular price for the T3 is $59.99, but it's on sale for $49.99. The regular price for the T7 is $169, and it's on sale for $149. But as I just mentioned, use my coupon code and you can get 10% off. So now you can see we have the unit unboxed. What's inside the humidifier is the hose that you can attach to it and put inside your tent if you want to. You also get the sensor that you can connect to the humidifier and then put it in your tent. That is going to tell the humidifier what the humidity is inside of your grow space. The last thing that's included with the unit is the UIS cable. This is the cable that is going to connect the humidifier to your 69 controller, whether it's the Bluetooth or the Wi-Fi controller, the 69 Controller Pro. And you can control this unit right inside the app, just like with the lights, the clip fans, and the inline fans. Also, if you guys wasn't aware, you can also use the Controller 69 to control other brands' lights as well. I have a video coming out on that pretty soon, but you can use the Controller 69 to control a lot of your favorite brands' lights. The Controller 69 can control those too. But anyway, back to the humidifier. So now I have it plugged in and I have some water in here. Let's test it out. I'm going to hit the power button, and then the button next to that is one of the ways that you can use the humidifier. There's 4 levels of vapor that you can set the humidifier to. You can see here's one. And I'll just go through all 4 of them real quick so you can see how powerful the unit is. Now, if you want the humidity set to a certain level, the button next to that is how you do that. You can see that it's going up in increments of 5. So if you want to keep your grow tent or your grow space at 50% humidity or 80% or whatever it is, you can set it right here, and the humidifier along with the sensor will keep your grow space or your grow tent exactly where you want it to be. Now, the final way that you can use the humidifier is with a timer. Now, the button on the far right, you click on that, and that's going to be the amount of time that it's going to stay on for you. Also, I think I should mention, because I didn't mention it a minute ago, whenever you're using it with the Controller 69, you can set timers, set schedules, have the climate triggers, all the great stuff that's inside the app. It works with this humidifier too. So I guess it would actually make it 4 ways that you can use the humidifier. You can use it with the app and control everything. The button right next to the power button, you can turn it on to 4 different levels. The 3rd button over, you can set it at whatever humidity level that you want to have it at, and it'll keep it right there for you. And then the last button on the end, the 4th button, you can set it for an amount of time that it'll stay on, and then once that amount of time is over, it'll go off. I do want to show you where you plug in the sensor and the UIS cable. There's only 2 spots in the back for it, so there it is right there. And you can see here by me playing with the humidifier that it's very powerful. The vapor that it's pushing out is tremendous, so I think every grower, this will be a great addition to your grow. A smart humidifier that you can control every aspect of your grow. Remember, whenever you're growing, the first thing that you need to worry about is the genetics. The second thing after that is the environment. When you're an indoor grower, that is one of the great benefits of growing indoor. You're not at the mercy of Mother Nature. You get to control the environment and every aspect of your plant's growth. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you're interested in the humidifier or any other AC Infinity products, use the code BassDropKeys to get 10% off your order. I really appreciate all of you. And until I see you guys the next time, peace and good eats. I'm out, guys. Much love.